Hello, hi. Quiet, keep it low, keep it low.
我哋咧係跟住呢一個 Tesco 車一齊嚟到呢度。你邊個嚟㗎？咩名講？
我係阿炳啊！
係我哋阿炳馬到功成嘅演員嚟到咗北海。
And we're gonna give a big surprise to Miss Lo right now, and she has no idea we're here with all these great products. We're gonna send it to her right now.
係啦，因為佢上咗呢個 Tesco online 嘅網站買嘢過年買年貨啊，咁我哋梗係俾一個新年驚喜佢啦。嗱，而家唔好咁大聲先嚇，準備好未 ？OK，let's go。叮咚，叮咚，叮咚，叮咚。
She's gonna be surprised.
Hello！
天空這麼廣大，及下呼。
I'm so surprised to see the Tesco team and the Abing's team all in one coming at the same time. This is really a surprise, really shocking. I'm so surprised that I ordered online and suddenly I see the team coming to my house and deliver the goods to me. It's really a big surprise for this New Year.
Mission accomplished.
I find the Tesco service is very good. It's efficient, it's easy. Sometimes it's very difficult for me to go all the way to Tesco. It's quite far and I have my mother to look after at home. So I think it's very convenient in this way.
恭喜發財，馬到功成。